As big as an elephant.
Very big.
As bright as a button.
Very bright.
Hi everyone, nice to meet you. I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. And my name is 𝐂𝐞𝐥𝐥 and today I am going to share some amazing phrases with us. And
my name is 𝐂𝐞𝐥𝐥 and I will say the meaning of these phrases.
Okay, so let's start.
Just start.
As busy as bee.
Very busy and active.
As black as coal.
Very black.
As black as pitch.
Completely black.
As easy as ABC.
Very busy.
As easy as apple pie.
Very busy.
As white as snow.
Very white in color.
As brave as a lion.
Very brave and courageous.
As fierce as a tiger.
Very dangerous.
As blind as bat.
Completely blind.
As cool as a cucumber.
Calm and not nervous.
As clear as day.
Very clear.
As good as gold.
To be well behaved or obedient.
As gentle as lamb.
Very gentle.
As light as feather.
Extremely light.
As fresh as dew.
Very fresh.
As dead as stone.
Completely dead.
As grave as a judge.
Fully serious.
As greedy as wolf.
Very greedy.
As green as grass.
Very green.
As big as a bass.
Very big.
As big as an elephant.
Very big.
As bright as a button.
Very bright.
As clear as a whistle.
Very clear.
As clear as a crystal.
Very clear.
As clear as a mud.
Very difficult to understand.
As drunk as lot.
Extremely drunk.
As dry as bone.
Very dry.
As dry as dust.
Very dry.
As deep as a post.
Completely deaf.
As dead as the dodo.
Completely dead.
As dull as a dishwater.
Very dull. That's all for today. Thanks a bunch for listening us.
Thank you.